Hello, welcome to my channel. How are you? Today we will make a simple logo reveal in Filmora X. You need 3 files: logo, abstract background and music. Now I will open Pixabay and find for abstract video. I will download this video in full HD. I will find music in same website Pixabay. Let me play this. I like this audio. In Filmora X, I have 3 files: logo, abstract video and audio. Drag and drop the video, audio, and logo onto timeline. Click on logo, and drag from the corner to resize. Then adjust in middle. I will now right-click on audio. Then click on Adjust Audio. Fade out the audio as you like. Go to Transition, and drag, dissolve, onto video and logo. Reduce the transition for logo. Right-click on logo, then click on Add Animation. Cool. Now drag the slider to the start and click on Add. It will create a keyframe. Reduce the opacity to 0. I forgot to adjust the logo. Move the slider to the last and increase the opacity. Click and drag the logo, little down. That's it. Let's play.